Masquerades, or Mmanwu, played a vital role in Igbo religious and social life. They were believed to embody the spirits of ancestors, deities, or other supernatural beings. These masquerades were integral to various ceremonies and festivals, serving as a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds. There were different types of masquerades, each with specific functions and significance. Some were associated with particular deities or ancestral spirits, while others were more general protectors of the community. Masquerades could be malevolent or benevolent, depending on their purpose and the context of their appearance. Masquerades performed during festivals, funerals, and rites of passage. They were seen as enforcers of social norms and moral conduct, capable of punishing wrongdoers or bestowing blessings. The elaborate costumes and masks worn by masqueraders symbolized the connection to the